Yes, good morning, children. I will continue this. The friend in need this lesson. Fifth para. The Kunti, I will read that. Kunti hurried to the banks of the Ganga. Kunti hurries to the banks of the Ganga, where she knew Karna would be at his morning prayers. She knew Karna would be at his morning prayers. Karna was standing in the river as Kunti had expected. Karna was standing in the river as Kunti had expected. He was facing the east with eyes closed. His eyes closed. He was facing the east with his eyes closed. That means she wanted to tell the truth of his birth. So she wanted to meet. The Kunti hurried. Hurry means quickly, soon. She moved where the Karna is every day morning. He wanted to using the prayer where she knew Karna would be at morning prayers. His place, that fixed place. The Karna was standing in the river. The Karna was standing early morning. He was doing the prayer. So the Kunti moved that place. He was facing the east. That means he was praying against the sun in the east direction with his eyes closed. With the closed eyes he was praying the God. So at that time the Kunti wanted to meet her. Next para, Kunti waited. Karna opened his eyes. When Karna opened his eyes, Kunti waited. Karna opened his eyes. He was surprised to see Kunti. He bowed her respectfully and greeted her. See, he bowed to her respectfully and greeted her. Then at the time the Karna was doing the prayer, so she waited there for a few minutes. When the Karna opened his eyes, he surprised because in front of him the Kunti was there. So he surprised and then he bowed her respectfully and greeted her. That is the culture of that Karna. It shows the greatness of Karna. Because that's why they called as hero. She gave respect to the mother Kunti. Next para. O Karna, my son. O Karna, my son. She wept as she related the story of his birth. She wept as she related the story of his birth. He was her son. She said amid tears. He was her son. A prince of a noble blood of the house of Pandu. He was her son, a prince of noble blood of the house of Pandu. He was the child of Surya. He was a child of Surya, the sun god, whom he had worshipped a moment earlier. He was her first child. The eldest of the Pandavas, Arjuna was his brother. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Nakula, Sahadeva, all were his brothers. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Nakula, Sahadeva, all were his brothers. See, after this, his prayer, Kunti called him, "O Karna, my son, you are my son." She told her secret, his birth secret, and that's why he was her son. She said, amid tears, with the sweeping the tears, he was her son. He was a prince of noble blood of the house Pandu's family. He belongs to Pandu family, and he was the child of Surya, the sun god, and she worshipped earlier of the god. He was her first child. She told that the Karna was a first child and eldest of the Pandavas, elder son of the Pandu Rajas. So the Karna was a first child, the eldest of the Pandavas. Then the all Pandavas younger than the Karna, the Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, Sahadeva were his younger brothers. He told that. So next para, it is the Pandavas you should lead. It is the Pandavas you should lead, not Duryodhana's armies. It is the Pandavas you should lead, not Duryodhana's armies. Leave them. Come now, join your brothers. Come now, join your brothers. Defend them. Defend them against the Kauravas. Defend them, Kauravas. My heart has been heavy within me all these years. My heart has been heavy within me all these years. Bring me peace now. Bring me peace now. Then she advised to Karna to leave the Kauravas party and join with the Pandavas. So leave them, come now and join the brothers, his own brothers. The Kunti invited to join his own brothers and defend the Pandavas and fight against the Kauravas. And she told that her heart has been sad for the long years from that long years. So bring me a peace now. She told to Karna, give a peace from your birth up to this time. I had a heavy heart. That means she was sad. So that is one big problem. That is the problem she was facing herself only. So she told to solve that problem or give the peace to her heart. Next para, Karna embraced his mother gently. The Karna embraced his mother gently and wiped away her tears. The Karna embraced his mother gently and wiped away her tears. He spoke to her in sad. Gentle words. Indeed, I am a prince. Indeed, I am a prince, son of Kunti, born to Surya. Indeed, I am a prince, son of Kunti, born to Surya. But Adhirata raised me. Adhirata gave me father's care. Adhirata gave me father's care and gave me his name. And he gave his name. Radha is my mother. She lavished love and affection on me. She shared my infant joys and sorrows and proudly watched me grow into manhood. She shared my infant joys and sorrows and proudly watched me grow into manhood. When Krupa challenged me to reveal my parentage, to reveal my parentage at the tournament. At the tournament, you would have saved me. You would have saved me, mother. If only you had revealed the truth, then perhaps things would you have been different now. You could have saved me, mother. If only you had revealed the truth, then perhaps things would have been different now. Would have been different now. In this para, the Karna, by the telling of his birth secret, but Karna embraced his mother gently. Her mother gently, with smoothly, he told that he spoke to her in sad. He spoke to her in sad. He was also sad because he knows his birth secret. He told that indeed I am a prince. He was a prince and son of Kunti. He knows he is son of Kunti, and the father was God, the born to Surya, but in practice his father was Adiratha and mother was Radha. The Radha and Adiratha grew up from his childhood. The Karna became a man from these Adiratha and Radha. So the mother Radha lavished love and affection on me. Lavish. Give something generously. She gave the love of his childhood. So she shared my infant joys. Infant means the small babies. The joys and sorrows. The Radha shared the joy and sorrows of his childhood and proudly watched me grow into manhood. The Radha watched her childhood. So when he grew up at the tournament of the Pandavas and Kauravas, when they finished their lessons from the Guru Dronacharya, they finished their lesson from the Dronacharya. They did one tournament to show their experiences, knowledge. So at tournament, Karna also involved in that time the Krupa challenge. The Guru Krupacharya challenged to tell the original parents of the Karna's parents. At them they had become silent. So because he didn't know who are the parents, so at that time the Kunti knows that thing. She would tell that he is my son. So she could not tell. The Karna told that you would save me, but you revealed the truth. You know the truth. You could tell the truth. Perhaps otherwise if you told the truth, then this time that the thing was different, would have been different now the things, because he was at the time of Kauravas party, Kauravas group, 10th para. Son with the tear-filled eyes, Kunti protested. Karna thought it was a Duryodhana then who befriended me and stood by me. Karna said, it was Duryodhana then who be friend indeed me and stood by me. He revoked Bhima when he flung hot words at me. He revoked Bhima when he flung hot words at me. To Duryodhana, it did not matter. To Duryodhana, it did not matter. That was a mere charioteer's son. That did not matter that I was mere charioteer's son. He gave me wealth. He gave me wealth, a kingdom, power, armies. He gave me wealth, a kingdom, power, armies. More than that, he gave me friendship. He gave me friendship, a lifelong friendship, mother, lifelong friendship, mother. Would I be an honorable man? Would I be an honorable man if I deserted him now? Would I be an honorable man if I deserted him now? Would I be worthy? Would I be worthy to be a warrior? Would I be worthy to be a warrior if I deserted the Kauravas to join the Pandavas? If I deserted the Kauravas to join the Pandavas, would that be right? Would that be right? Would it be just? Would it be just? Would it become a Karna? Would it become a Karna? So in this para, again the Kunti told that my son, she protested, she told to join that Pandavas party. Again she begged the Karna, but the Karna refused her invitation because he was at the time of the problem. The Duryodhana didn't matter that the Karna was a charioteer's son. The Adiratha was a charioteer. So at the time the Bhima told that Bhima scored with the hot words. So at that time the Duryodhana gave the support and he gave the kingdom, wealth and armies, and more than that the friendship. The Karna gave the prominence to the friendship, the lifelong friendship. The Duryodhana gave the friendship to the Karna. So he asked his mother, would I a honorable warrior, honorable man, would I a worthy warrior? He asked to the Kunti, if I desert the Kauravas to join the Pandavas, he didn't want to cheat that Kauravas. Would that be right? Is it right? He asked to his mother. Would it be just? Would it become a Karna? Then Karna could not do that cheating for Kauravas. See last para, children. The Karna smile is tinged with sadness. It was a difficult choice. But he didn't hesitate. It was a difficult choice, but he didn't hesitate to make it. He held honor, duty and friendship. Above everything else. Would I not a traitor and a cheat if I desert him now? Would I not be a traitor and a cheat if I desert him now? He said. Kunti had no answer. She was heartbroken. She bent her head in sorrow. rebuke, that is the scored by the Bhima at the tournament time. Yes, children, after this the Karna smile was tinged with the sadness. Karna gave the smile. It was a difficult choice. The Karna faced this difficult choice, but lastly he took the decision that he didn't hesitate to make it. He held honor. That means he chose the Duryodhana's friendship against these all relations, mother, brothers, and all the kingdom against the friendship. He chose the friendship only. He gave the respect to the friendship. He held honor, duty, and friendship. He held honor, duty, and friendship. That means he wanted to do his duty, and for his friend he wanted to give he wanted to sacrifice his life also above everything else, above the kingdom, army, and his own brother and mother. Would I not treat her a cheat if I desert him now? He didn't want to cheat his friend. Kunti had no answer. He questioned the Kunti. Then she had no answer. She was heartbroken. She was sad, and she bent her head in sorrow. She bent her head in sorrow. After then the war happened. The Karna, always with his friend Duryodhana, he was friend in need. That's why he became a hero. He gave the prominence to the friendship in the war. He fought with the Pandavas and he died in the war. He sacrificed his life to his Duryodhana and Duryodhana's friendship. So here, children, I will conclude this lesson and I will send the questions to write the answers. Yes, thank you.